Dear students, in this video we are going to see the major points of the lesson once again. A shirt in the market. This chapter tells us a story of a shirt. It begins with the production of cotton and ends with the sale of the shirt. A cotton farmer in the Kurnool. A small farmer in Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, grows cotton as on the small piece of land. One of the reaping is done, cotton balls are gathered. Once the cotton is collected, farmer take the harvest to the local trader or to the neighbor merchants. Farmers earning from cotton cultivation is barely more than what they might have earned as a wage labor. A cloth market of Erode. The Erode bi-weekly cloth market in Tamil Nadu is one of the largest cloth market in the world. The large variety of clothes is sold in this market. Around the market are offices of cloth merchants who buy this cloth. These merchants supply cloth on order to the garment manufacturers and export around the country. Putting out system. Weavers producing cloth at home. The merchants distributes work among the weavers based on the order he has received for cloth. The weavers get the yarn from the merchants and supply him the cloth. The garment exporting factory near Delhi. The Erode merchant supplies the cotton cloth produced by the weavers to the garment exporting factory near Delhi. The garment exporting factory will use cloth to make shirts. The shirt will exported to foreign buyers. These large stores do business strictly on their own terms. Women workers. In garment factory, most of them are women who are employed on a temporary basis. Women are employed as helpers for thread cutting, buttoning, ironing, packing, etc., which have the lowest wages. Market equality. The foreign business person who made huge profit in the market and the garment exporter who made only moderate profit, and the small cotton farmer and the weavers at Erode did not get a fair price in the market for what they produce. The merchants or the traders have earned more, but it is still much less than the exporter. The market offers people opportunities for work and to be able to sell the things that they grow or produce. Okay, we'll continue with the question answer of textbook backside activity. First question: what made Swapna sell the cotton to the trader instead of selling at Kurnool cotton market? Swapna sold the cotton to the trader instead of selling at the Kurnool cotton market because at the beginning of the cropping season, Swapna had borrowed 2,500 rupees from the trader at very high interest rate to buy seeds and fertilizers, pesticides for cultivation. So she promised to sell all her cotton to him. Describe the conditions of the employment as well as the wage of the worker in the garment exporting factory. Do you think all workers get a fair deal? A condition of the employment in the garment exporting factory, workers are employed on the temporary basis means they can be asked to leave any time when not needed. They have pressure to produce quality products in limited time. They have to do hard work for a long hours. No, the worker does not get a fair deal, or they are not even paid the minimal wage for their work. They are being exploited by their employer and their work is also temporary. They also don't have respect for the work they do. Think for something common that we use. It could be sugar, tea, milk, pen, paper, pencil, etc. Discuss through the what chain of market this reaches you. You can think of the people that help in the production or the trade. Chain of the market to produce milk is first produced in dairy cooperative. The first purchase milk at different locations. After that, milk is transported to the milk factories by dairy cooperatives. Milk is pasteurized in the factories and are packed. Packets are milk that even given to the traders which transport them to the cities where the wholesale dealer purchase these. Retailer purchase from these wholesaler then sell these packets of the milk to the consumers in the open market in the booth. Now we can also use the example given in the question number 4. They are going to give the sum of the sentence that we want to arrange. Okay, arrange the statement given the alongside in the correct order and then fill in the number of the cotton balls according the first two have already have done for you. Swapna sells the cotton to the trader. Customers buy this shirt in the supermarket. Traders sell cotton into the ginning mill. Garment exporter buy the cloth from the merchants for making shirt. Yarn dealer or merchant give you yarn to the weaver. The exporter sells shirt in the business person from USA. Spinning mill buys the cotton and sell yarn to the yarn dealer. Weaves return with the cloth. Ginning mill cleans the cotton and make into balls. So first activity, what it will come? It will come to Swapna sell the cotton to the trader. Second one, trader sell cotton to the ginning mill, and in the ginning mill cleans the cotton and makes into balls. And spinning mill buys the cotton and sell yarn to the yarn dealer. Yarn dealer or merchant give the yarn to the weavers. Weavers return with cloth. Garment exporter buy the cloth from the merchant for making shirt. The exporter sells shirt into the business person from USA. Customers buy this shirt in the supermarket. These are the steps what is happening from the farm to the market when the shirt is reaching to the customer. We are the farmers, we are producing cotton, and we are the customer who is going to purchase the shirt in the market. And we will purchase the normal grade shirt, normal quality shirt, but the exporters, they will take the high quality shirt and it will go to Europe and American continent. By this we are completing this lesson. We will continue in next video.